सेमिनार में बहुत कम तलबा ने शिरकत की।
Few of the students showed up for the seminar. Few of the students showed up for the seminar.
जब मुलाजमत से तारुफ हुआ तो मैं कदरे खौफजदा था।
I was a bit apprehensive when introduced to the job. I was a bit apprehensive when introduced to the job.
आपको प्रोजेक्ट की हिदायत पर अमल करना होगा।
You have to follow the project guidelines. You have to follow the project guidelines.
इसने अपनी परेशानियों को एक तरफ धकेल कर अपने खाने पर तवज्जो दी।
He pushed aside his worries to concentrate on his food. He pushed aside his worries to concentrate on his food.
पूरे कमरे में खामोशी छा गई।
The whole room fell into silence. The whole room fell into silence.
मैंने खाने से भरा हुआ चम्मच बच्चे की तरफ बढ़ाया।
I held out the spoon filled with food to the baby. I held out the spoon filled with food to the baby.
वो सदमे से चौंका।
He was startled out of the trance. He was startled out of the trance.
वो इसके गाने की आवाज पर तरफ उठे।
They cringed at the sound of her singing. They cringed at the sound of her singing.
मैं उनको साबित करूंगा कि मैं कौन हूँ।
I will prove to them just who I am. I will prove to them just who I am.
आखिरकार उसने हार मान ली और आराम किया।
He finally backed down and relaxed. He finally backed down and relaxed.